What's going on? I'm Michael Law, and today we're gonna tie and marry the two of finances and confidence. And why you don't have confidence, because we're so worried about bills, we're behind on bills, or whatever the scenario is for you. Now, you have to master the basics. Every millionaire, every billionaire out there understands their spending patterns. They know how much they spend on wants and how much they spend on needs. But for yourself, you might spend more money on your wants than your needs, but you have too big of an ego, too prideful, or too ignorant of your spending patterns to know or understand where your money is actually going. Guys, success takes time, and if you don't have time to get better, you don't have time for success, which is the reason why I want to take a moment and express my gratitude for you showing up to this workshop, because you and I have the same 24 hours as everybody else out there. But again, it's that inner bitch voice that everybody has that says, I don't have time. Well, you have time, you're here, and we're here to master the basics of understanding your spending patterns and how this is gonna build confidence in your life financially, and personally, business-wise, for your family, whatever it is. So let's go ahead and dive into section 1 and let's build that confidence financially. Welcome to our financial workshop, and we're going to talk about the influence of wants and needs in building confidence. So today, we explore the impact of these concepts in the realm of personal finance. In personal finance, wants refer to the non-essential items we aspire to have. Needs, on the other hand, are the essential necessities for survival and well-being. Understanding the distinction between wants and needs is crucial, as it directly influences our spending habits. Now, wants have the potential to tempt us into impulsive purchases, right? Leading to financial stress and uncertainty. However, when we prioritize needs and make mindful choices, we gain control over our finances. Recognizing the difference between wants and needs empowers us to make informed decisions about how we allocate our resources. Now, by aligning our spending with our true needs and aligning our wants with our financial capacity, we create a solid foundation for financial stability and confidence. So I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your wants and your needs. Evaluate your spending habits and identify areas where you can make conscious choices that support your financial goals. Remember, by distinguishing between wants and needs, you gain control of your finances and pave a way for a more confident and secure future for yourself, for your family, for your business, and so on. Next, we'll dive into the importance of understanding our spending habits and their implications. So let's consider the following spending pattern as an example. Out of a total monthly expenditure, 70% is allocated to wants, while the other 30% is dedicated to needs. Now, this breakdown reveals important insight. It shows that a significant portion of our financial resources is dedicated towards wants, non-essential items or desires that we have. However, it's essential to recognize the implication of this distribution. When a substantial majority is allocated to wants, it may lead to financial strain, limited savings, and reduced confidence in our financial well-being. By shifting the percentage breakdown to prioritize needs, we gain a sense of financial security and the ability to save for our future goals. Analyzing our spending patterns helps us to identify areas where we can make adjustments and align our financial choices with our long-term aspirations. So, I encourage you to take a closer look at your spending patterns, evaluate the percentage breakdown between your wants and your needs, and consider the implications for your financial well-being. By consciously managing your spending, focusing on needs, and balancing wants with financial responsibility, you can build confidence in your financial journey. Now, let's explore why prioritizing needs is essential for a balanced financial lifestyle. Needs are an essential element that provides security and stability in our lives. Now, by prioritizing needs over wants, we ensure that our fundamental requirements are met. Meeting our essential needs, such as food, shelter, healthcare, establishes a solid foundation for well-being and instills a sense of security. When we prioritize needs, we create a balanced financial lifestyle that supports our long-term goals and aspirations. Now, by allocating our resources towards meeting needs first, sounds easy. We establish stability and reduce financial stress. Easier said than done, trust me. This approach allows us to focus on achieving our goals, saving for the future, and building a strong financial foundation. By maintaining a balanced financial lifestyle, we can navigate unexpected circumstances with confidence and resilience. So, I encourage you to reflect on your financial choices and ensure that your needs are given the priority that they deserve. Now, by meeting your essential needs and maintaining a balanced financial lifestyle, you create a foundation for confidence and financial well-being. Next, we explore how understanding our spending patterns and aligning them with our goals can empower us on our financial journey. I encourage you to take a closer look at your spending habits, assess where your money is actually going, and reflect on whether it aligns with your priorities and your financial aspirations. Evaluating your priorities helps you gain clarity and make intentional choices about where you want your financial resources to actually be directed. It's important to distinguish between wants and needs. Wants are desires, while needs are essential for your well-being and your security. By identifying and distinguishing between wants and needs, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. Aligning your spending with your financial goals provides you a sense of purpose and direction. It enables you to prioritize what truly matters to you and take a step forward to achieving your aspirations. So, take the time to assess your wants and evaluate your priorities. Be mindful of your spending choices and ensure that they align with your long-term visions. By doing so, you'll gain confidence and build a solid foundation for your financial well-being. Next, we explore the significance of creating a budget or spending plan and how it can empower you on your financial journey. Creating a budget or spending plan is essential for managing your finances effectively. It helps you allocate your income strategically and make informed choices about where your money goes. When developing your spending plan, prioritize allocating a large portion of your income to needs and essentials first. These are the fundamental elements that support your well-being and your financial security. By ensuring that your needs and essentials are well covered in your spending plan, you gain a sense of control and confidence over your financial situation. Now, having a well-defined spending plan, it's going to allow you to make intentional decisions about your spending and avoid unnecessary financial stress. With each expense accounted for and a clear understanding of where your money is going, you could confidently navigate your financial journey. So, I encourage you to take time to develop your spending plan, prioritize your needs and your essentials, and allocate your income accordingly. By doing so, you'll experience a greater sense of control, confidence, and financial well-being. Now, in the downloadable PDF that you have, there's allocation percentages that we recommend. Depending on where you're at now and where you want to be, outline this plan for your financial security. Lastly, we explore how understanding spending patterns, prioritizing needs, and responsible financial management contribute to a sense of security and empowerment. When we understand our spending patterns and prioritize our needs, we gain a clarity and control over our financial decisions. Now, by identifying where our money goes and making intentional choices, we reduce our financial stress and worry. That should be your priority. Prioritizing our needs, such as essential expenses and saving for the future, provides a solid foundation for financial well-being. Meeting our essential needs allows us to focus on long-term goals, pursue opportunities, and confidently face unforeseen challenges. Responsible financial management creates a pathway to financial freedom and stability. As we cultivate responsible habits, we build a positive relationship with money, fostering a sense of empowerment and confidence. So, take the time to understand your spending patterns, prioritize your needs, and embrace responsible financial management. By doing so, you pave the way towards financial confidence, reduced stress, and a brighter future. Thank you for joining our financial workshop on building confidence through responsible financial management. Let's recap the key takeaways from our discussion that we had. Understanding our spending patterns and prioritizing needs over wants is crucial for achieving financial confidence. I encourage you to assess your spending habits and make adjustments as necessary. Reflect on what truly matters to you and align your financial choices accordingly. By embracing responsible financial management, you can experience reduced stress and worry, paving the way for a more secure and fulfilling future. Remember, each small step towards responsible financial habits contributes to your overall confidence and your well-being. Thank you for your active participation in this workshop. We hope the insight gained today empowers you to make informed financial decisions and live a life of financial freedom. May your journey towards financial confidence be filled with success, happiness, and prosperity. Okay, so now that we're done talking about financial wants and financial needs and how crucial it is to understand the difference in your life so that way you can really understand your spending patterns. A lot of people don't know how they spend their money and they wonder why they're paycheck to paycheck when all you have to do is pay attention to the percentage of wants and the percentage of needs, and that can make a life-changing difference inside your life. So now that we're done, I have a challenge for you. This challenge, it takes a lot of strength to get through it, but it also builds a lot of financial clarity, right? I got individuals that have made $10 million, can't afford to pay their taxes because even though they make a lot of money, they don't know how to manage it, they don't know how to spend it properly, and they don't know their spending patterns. Or, if you're somebody working a day-to-day hourly job, there's a big difference between both of the two, but the problem is the same. So this challenge will help you solve this problem in your life and hopefully gain a lot more clarity. So I challenge you to go print out your last 3 months of your bank statements, take 2 highlighters, and highlight every single transaction from the last 3 months. We're creatures of habit. And the way you do one thing is the way you do everything, and I promise you that. So you're gonna see this pop up in the way you spend your money. As you're highlighting every transaction, a want or a need, a want or a need, a want or a need, you're gonna get done with the 3 months. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna count the wants and you're gonna count the needs and put that number. So I spent 100 transactions this month, 30 of them were on needs, 70 of them were on wants, right? So now you got the number of wants and needs. Then I want you to sit down. This is homework, guys. This is a challenge, right? To make a big impact on your life. Then I want you to sit down with a calculator and I want you to calculate all the wants and I want you to write down the number. Then I want you to calculate all the needs and write down that number. Then I want you to take that calculator again and I want you to split it up now and see what is the percentage that you're spending on wants and what is the percentage that you are spending on needs. This challenge changed my life. I know it'll change your life. So I encourage you guys to pick it up, take me up on this offer, and let's go be financially confident with our future.